Hi, this is Mitch King. This is the Monday evening, November 3rd Daily Stock Picks newsletter. Let's take a look at some stocks that we've been following. Well, first of all, let's go to the index. Here's the Dow Jones. You can see that trend line that I drew over a week ago. This is clearly breaking out of it, and this may continue. Let's look at the NASDAQ Composite. Also the same look. And the S&P should look about the same as well. Some of the individual stocks I'm a little more concerned about that may turn over are these ag chemical stocks. I'm just thinking that we might have a little bit lower prices on these for a couple days, and I would approach this as a swing trade on the short side. The original idea I had last Thursday afternoon before the market closed, when I shorted overnight for Friday morning for a swing trade on the short side, and that turned out that would have been a really good move to hold those short positions open. Now let's take a look at Mosaic, and I'm still thinking that the look, if we draw a trend line here or some sort of a line, I'm just feeling like that we might have a little bit of a sell-off on this, hopefully not in a big way. Here's Apache. Let's take a look at AGU. There's the chemical stocks. Let's look at steel. You know what really moved quite a bit up today was these solar stocks. Really big move. Keep an eye on this one here, the Solar Fund, or SOLF. This can often be a good short sale. I've shorted this many times in the last 6-7 months. You know, here and right there and right in here, of course. Let me see if we've got the right chart setting. But this one here is was as low as $4 just a few days ago, and today hit 8.25. So this is over double. I let that run for a while, but keep an eye on that one. Here's a couple insurance companies. The Prudential moved up really 2 big days. Let's see what the bottom was here a couple of days ago. 23. So we're almost a 50% move here in 2 days. HIG, which is the Hartford Group, was as low as $7.50 on Friday, and today 16.25. So that's over double today. And I'm just watching this. This is how I come up with ideas. I watch trends and how a stock is acting, and I kind of set alarms for it and put it on my watch list. This may be a potential short in the next few days. The list that I've updated here on this table that I've submitted to you is a set of stocks that were the most profitable and high quality stocks that were a list to go to when we had that extreme oversold condition. I added a few more. I wouldn't add any more long positions to them. The stocks look like they might take a little break. Well, Visa's already started to turn down today. MasterCard had earnings after the market, which were losses. And these look like they're stalling at the moment, but you know that we've got the election tomorrow, which really could have a real positive effect if the Republicans come in. And I think there's a little more downside left with Obama winning, although the market has priced in most of the idea that he's going to win. But I think Wednesday is very possible, or even late in the session tomorrow, as some of the early polls are showing that if Obama's ahead, we might see the market sell off before the close tomorrow. So I'm looking to open some short positions back in the swing trades on these ag chemical stocks and some of these basic materials, coal, and stocks that I've talked about in the past. So you have a good day tomorrow, and we'll talk to you tomorrow night.